Does sex affect athletic performance? During the Vancouver Winter Olympics in 2010, more than 100,000 condoms were ordered, indicating that there is a fair amount of physical activity happening during the Games. However, the question remains, does this sexual excitement before competition have an impact on an athlete's performance? Ancient civilizations, including the Greeks, believed that semen possessed divine power and a man's strength. Even today, some athletes think that sexual frustration resulting from abstinence can increase aggression, which might be advantageous for certain sports. Testosterone, responsible for aggression and sexual desire in both men and women, has been associated with the belief that ejaculation depletes testosterone levels. For instance, Muhammad Ali abstained from making love for 6 weeks before a fight. However, modern science contradicts this notion. Numerous studies have shown that testosterone levels actually increase after sex. Abstaining for more than 3 months can cause testosterone levels to drop considerably. From a biological perspective, sex may boost performance, especially in sports where a bit of extra aggression could be the deciding factor, such as ski cross, short track speed skating, or hockey. Concerns about sex tiring the body out are unfounded. The average sex session burns only about 50 calories, equivalent to running up a few flights of stairs. Moreover, research has revealed that engaging in sex the night before does not significantly affect strength, power, endurance, or any other fitness variables. On the contrary, sex triggers the release of pain blockers in the brain, which can help modulate chronic pain with effects lasting up to 24 hours. The psychological effects of sex are the biggest unknown and more challenging to study, but they may play a crucial role in major competitions. Achieving an athlete's best performance requires a delicate balance of alertness and anxiety. Engaging in sexual escapades all night before an event may negatively impact alertness the following day. However, sex can be a great stress reliever for nervous athletes. For others, enhanced focus and concentration may be desired, in which case, a good night's sleep is essential. In conclusion, the effects of sex on athletic performance vary greatly from one individual to another. Each athlete should understand how sex influences their own performance. If an extra boost of testosterone is needed, then getting one's game on might be worth considering, a night before the big event. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.